Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. Today we are taking a closer look at Redmi Note 13, Xiaomi latest mid-range smartphone that is packing some serious punch. If you are looking for flagship features without breaking the bank, let's dive in. The Redmi Note 13 comes with a sleek modern design featuring a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. The colors are vibrant, the touch response is snappy, and the bezels are impressively slim for its class. You got a Snapdragon 685 density 6100 plus, depending on variant, paired with up to 8 GB of RAM and 256 of storage space. It handles day-to-day tasks effortlessly, and even light gaming feels fluid. The operating system MIUI 14 based on Android 13 keep things running smoothly with plenty of customization. Camera wise, Redmi Note 13 sports a 108 MP main sensor and a 2 MP depth sensor and a 16 MP front camera. It captures sharp, detailed photos in good lighting, and even low light shots hold up well due to some solid image processing. With this phone, you are getting 5000 mAh battery that easily lasts all day, sometimes even 2 days with moderate use. Plus, there is a 33 watts fast charging so that you are back in full charge in about an hour. If you are after a stylish phone with a great display, reliance, performance, and surprisingly capable camera, all for a decent price, it is hard to go wrong here. We're going to unbox this phone, check it out, and see what is inside. So these are the stuff included in the packaging. So the power cable, adapter, brilliant. This one is the phone case. The phone case included, information pack, this is the main phone here. It's very light. Look at that and see what it looks like. And see the camera, 108 MP Redmi. This phone is very light. You switch it on and off on this button, really good. So you switch it on this button. MI Android 14 MI. Then you choose your language, then select next. Select next. Agree to terms and conditions. Skip this setup. So I'm going to skip checking the SIM card. Skip network. Acceptance and condition. Skip. Getting the phone ready. Next. Set up lock screen. Skip. Then you select default launcher, app, classic, or app drawer. So select classic, for instance. Select next. 14 preparing system. Setup complete. Then select next. You are ready to rock. Look at that. Brilliant. You can see what it looks like. You can see the quality of the app and the color. Very nice and beautiful phone. So this is the unboxing and overview of this phone. Thank you very much indeed. And stay blessed. Thank you. This is Redmi Note 13. Thank you.